Hey everyone, welcome back to 3 Feet of Hair with Portia. Today I am styling a rope braid, also called a unicorn braid, or a princess braid. It's been really popular lately. As always, I start by making sure that my hair is tangle free, and for this one it's really simple. I'm just taking 2 sections and I'm going to twirl them towards my face. That's the easiest part about this hairstyle, and the most difficult is remembering which way to twist the hair. So you always twist it towards your face, like as if you're calling someone crazy. The other part to this hairstyle is to remember which way to turn each section. So you twist them towards your face, then you take the frontmost section, you lift it up and behind the second section. And that's all you do for the hairstyle, is you twist each section towards your face, and then you put the frontmost section up and behind the back. And you just continue that all the way down. As I get to the end of my hair, I go ahead and smooth it out and do my signature knot. 2 fingers behind the braid, pinch them down, twist my hand right side, and stick the tail between my fingers and pull it through. Really, I'm just tying a knot, but it's a little bit easier to see if I do it slowly. I tighten it down, I tie another knot to secure it. It helps to tuck them in so that the hairstyle is more neat overall, and so that I don't have to use an elastic or a bobby pin or anything. Typically I tie 3 knots, and in between them I just wind up my ends. One thing to note is the farther down you start the knots, the smaller the knot will be. So this one turned out to be huge, like a baseball, because I started it up much higher than I normally would. So it was really heavy. I could literally feel it pulling on my neck and my hair, which wasn't comfortable. I ended up just taking the knot out because it was so heavy, and it just didn't give the look that I wanted. I wanted to have a nice, neat, long braid, and this large knot really stopped it. So instead, I grabbed a bobby pin, one of the really big ones from Sally's Beauty Supply, and I just kind of used that to weave the ends into the knot and then pushed the rest of the bobby pin into the middle of the braid so that it would be hidden. Having a smaller knot and a knot farther down gives the braid a better look, just because it's longer and the knot isn't bigger than the width of the braid itself. So it looks much better. I did not use any products for this hairstyle, so it did turn out kind of frizzy while I was handling it, but overall it turned out pretty easy.